Hello everyone, in this video today we are discuss about the technical analysis of the gold. If you look at the gold right now, the gold retesting the 1830.00 psychological level. If the gold break below the 1820.200 psychological level, then our next target should be the 1800 psychological level. So if you look at the dollar index right now, the dollar index break above the 104.00 psychological level and moving towards the 105.00 psychological level. But before reaching this level, there is a bearishness appear in the dollar index right now. So if the dollar index could not continue its bullish momentum, then we will see some further pullback in the gold around the 1860 psychological level, or we will see some deeper pullback around the 1890.850 psychological level. After reaching this level, if you see the further confirmation like the rejection candle or any sentimental confirmation, you can engage this trade, and your first target should be the 1830 psychological level and second target should be the 1800 psychological level. So that's all. Thank you.